Hotels are being sold expensive technology they often no longer need to buy. Not because the problem disappeared, because AI changed the build economics. I'm Hiro, and this is the Inference, where we break down the operational technologies quietly reshaping hospitality, real estate, and modern business. There is a vendor somewhere right now trying to sell your hotel a $60,000 data monitoring solution. Claude Code will build you something functionally similar in an afternoon, and the cost is mostly API usage. This is not theoretical. By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly what it does, how it connects to your existing PMS, and why the next enterprise vendor pitch may no longer carry the leverage it used to. Every major PMS already records detailed staff audit activity. Opera, Mews, Cloudbeds, Apaleo. The logs already exist. Who accessed guest data? When? From which terminal? What they viewed, edited, printed, exported. The problem was never missing data. The problem was reading that data intelligently at operational scale. For years, the answer was enterprise middleware, dashboards, vendor contracts, support retainers, six-figure implementation economics. Claude Code changes that equation. Here is what the Claude Code build actually looks like. Layer 1. PMS audit log ingestion. Claude connects directly to your PMS API, pulls live access activity, creates a structured event stream. Layer 2. PII classification. Passport data, payment cards, room assignments, loyalty profiles. Every interaction gets sensitivity weighting. Layer 3. Anomaly scoring. This is where the intelligence lives. A front desk agent viewing 40 guest records during check-in. Normal. The same pattern at 2 in the morning. Different story. Claude builds the baseline from your own operational data. Layer 4. Real-time alerts. High-risk events trigger immediate notifications. Email, Slack, SMS. Not tomorrow. Not weekly reporting. Live operational visibility. The operator describes the outcome. The AI builds the tool. Connect to Opera PMS audit logs. Classify PII events. Score anomalies. Alert gmproperty.com. The implication isn't only cost savings. You own the system. You own the data. You control the logic. That changes the operator relationship with security infrastructure. Vendor systems operate like black boxes. You inherit their scoring logic, their alert assumptions, their thresholds. A Claude Code build is transparent. You designed it. You can audit it. You can change it. Compliance changes too. GDPR Article 32 requires technical measures for data security. Running infrastructure matters more than policy language. Deployable monitoring creates operational evidence. The vendor pitch is not only selling software. At this point, it's selling the belief that you cannot build this yourself. Claude Code just made that belief expensive. Your PMS has been generating the signals needed to detect insider risk since the day it went live. The missing piece was intelligent interpretation. That tool now costs less than the software it's replacing. I'm Hiro, and this has been The Inference. If this episode changed how you think about hospitality security, PMS infrastructure, operational AI, or build economics, subscribe to The Inference. Every week, we break down the hidden systems reshaping hotels, real estate, architecture, and modern business. Because operational advantage increasingly belongs to the operators who understand how to build. I'm Hiro. Thank you for listening to The Inference.